Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss how to use coconut oil to improve the health. So let's see what is coconut oil. Coconut oil is an edible oil extracted from the kernel or the meat of mature coconut harvested from the coconut palm. See, coconut oil we generally get from the or it is extracted from the coconut fruit. What we get from that. So what coconut oil has? Coconut oil is very different from the other cooking oil, have its unique fatty acid content. Coconut oil is always considered into the saturated fat because it has 90% of the saturated fat. Coconut oil contain unique saturated fat, that is lauric acid, which makes up to 40% of total fat. Coconut oil also rich in medium chain fatty acid containing around 7% of caprylic acid and 5% of capric acid. All these MUFAs and other coconut fatty acids like lauric acid make it very unique compared to other cooking oils or the refined oils. So what are the uses of coconut oil? Even though it is considered as the saturated fat, coconut oil has lot of health benefits. So it improves lipid, especially HDL levels, as it is rich in the rare saturated fat, that is lauric acid. Why it is called rare means it is only present in the coconut oil, not in the other cooking oil has lauric acid. Because of its presence, the coconut oil is considered as a very unique. So when it comes to the HDL levels, HDL is considered as a good type of fat in the body or good type of cholesterol. We have different fats in the body. So LDL is considered to be bad or bad for the heart health. So when you have a good HDL level content or the ratio of HDL level is good compared to the LDL level, you are having a good heart health. So that's why when it is increasing HDL levels, it will definitely improve the heart health. It also plays a role in burning belly fat. How it burn belly fat means whenever we consume coconut oil, it increase the BMR levels. So it increases the metabolism of the body, hence it has a role in burning belly fat. And it also the MCTs which are present in the coconut oil reduce the appetite. Hence when you consume it, you will always feel full. You can take lesser amount of the foods, hence it will definitely have positive effect on the weight loss. Apart from these things, it also have antimicrobial effect. Because of this, lot of researchers already conducted in Kerala related to its antimicrobial effect. When you consume lauric acid, then that will form a monolaurium kind of substance in the body. This monolaurium kills the harmful bacteria, viruses or fungi or any type of microorganisms which enters into the human body. That's why it is safest to consume these in this pandemic. See, coconut oil also improves the brain functioning. So many researchers have come that it is having a it plays a beneficial role in Alzheimer's disease. See, as when we consume coconut oil, lot of ketone bodies are formed. So ketone is it will give you an alternative energy source for the brain. So glucose is needed for the functioning of the brain. So when you supply sufficient amount of glucose or the energy to the brain will function well. So in Alzheimer's disease, usually ketone or ketogenic diet is followed, where fat levels are increased and carbohydrate levels will be carbohydrate content is reduced. So ketone can provide an alternative energy source for the malfunctioning brain and reduce the symptom of Alzheimer's. Coconut oil, since many years, coconut oil has a role in improving in the cosmetic purpose to improve the health and also appearance of skin and hair. It is a great moisturizer for the skin and hence reduce dryness and eczema. So now we'll discuss how to use coconut oil. In many parts of India, coconut oil is generally used for the cooking, or only in limited areas of India, I can say. So many of us don't use coconut oil on the daily basis. Now I think we should start using it. First way of using it is very uh, great substance to do the oil pulling. See, oil pulling is an age-old Indian practice, dates back 3000 years. In this process, you need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. I generally suggest go for cold pressed coconut oil. Hold it in a mouth and swish it around your mouth, gums and teeth for 5 minutes. Initially you start with 5 minutes, then you can build up to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, like that. And this oil pulling is generally done in the morning. So first thing in the morning, before you does the brush, and make sure that you should not swallow it or gargle the oil, and you should throw it after swishing out the 5 to 10 minutes. So what it does, it pulls out the toxins which are present in the body, bacteria, virus and fungi from the mouth and till the esophagus. It also improves the person's digestion, and it has a beneficial role in weight loss. The second thing you can use coconut oil is, you can add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil into the your morning tea or coffee. So just by adding 1 teaspoon of coconut oil into coffee, you are converting your tea or coffee into fat burning beverage, because it has mucus that boost metabolism and your energy levels will be good. You can it will be helpful for the uh, keeping you active all the day, and it can be consumed as pre-workout beverage, or it also plays a role in weight loss. Or if anybody is not able to drink, or you are not having a habit of drinking tea or coffee, you can just take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil orally as such in the morning. And next, how you can use is, you can mix this coconut oil into turmeric and consume it like a pill. These two, coconut oil and turmeric, having both properties, similar properties, because turmeric also have antimicrobial property. Apart from that, many in areas, coconut oil is used for the cooking, as it is having a saturated fat. It can be used like ghee, or you can use this coconut oil in preparation of your recipes along with butter. One part you can take butter, or one part you can add coconut oil in 1:1 ratio for the preparation of curries or daily vegetables what you are going to prepare. It is best suitable for the tempering or seasoning. If you put tadka for any curries like that, it is suitable for that also. Apart from that, it can be used for the salad dressing. we generally use olive oil for the salad dressing, but coconut oil will also taste great with the salad dressing. 1 teaspoon of coconut oil for a bowl of vegetables will be enough. Trust me, it is going to taste good with the salad dressing. To get a good result, use always cold pressed virgin coconut oil, because lot of other coconut oil are available, like different brands of coconut oils are available in the market. And don't go for refined coconut oil, because when you go for refined, you will not see any kind of health benefits from the refined coconut oil, because mufa levels will be reduced in that. So go for cold pressed virgin coconut oil. Include this into grocery list this time to see the good benefits. So immunity is not just built in 1 or 2 days. You can use coconut oil, make into a practice of using this oil pulling, or you can add coconut oil into tea or coffee. Make it a habit for uh, the time. As the time passes, you can see the benefit, or your immune system will be definitely improves by that. To support your immune system and to fight COVID-19, it's beneficial when consumed orally or applied externally. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share the video. Thank you.